you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show 'em who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. If you are a first-timer, then welcome. Thanks to all my subscribers, new and old. And if you haven't subscribed, click that button now. Hit the bell. That will send you notifications when I send you out learning tools, our daily setups, our weekly setups, our monthly setups, motivational videos, and other items. Okay, today, guys, so I learned a little bit of a new strategy. And I tweeted it out. I'm not afraid to learn new things. I want to keep learning. That's the way to keep growing, is just to keep learning. You should never be stagnant. And it's okay to keep doing the same things you're doing, but it's also good to learn new things and just fill yourself with more information. So I did learn a new strategy. It's been dubbed hashtag 30 and 30, so you can go check that out on Twitter. But we're basically looking at the 30-minute chart, and we don't move off of that. And what we're looking for is reversals, okay? One of the things we want to see is this hourly and this daily the same color. So we either want to be both green or both red. If you want that indicator, go into your indicators and trading view, type in time frame continuity right here, and it's by Board Rider B, okay? So I took 2 trades today doing this, and it was the first time I had tried it. I won on both trades, okay? So basically it's a reversal. If you guys don't know what that is, so this bar, this green bar, is a 2, and we're going to call it a 2 down, okay? Because it came below the previous day's candle. So it's labeled as a 2, but a 2 down. Okay, and there are only 3 types of candles: 2s, 1s, and 3s. An outside bar breaks both sides, and that's a 3. And an inside bar would stay within the previous candle, okay? So it wouldn't break the high, or it wouldn't break the low. Okay, we would stay within the previous range candle. There's not one on here currently. This is an inside bar here, okay? This yellow one, we stay inside the range of the previous candle. Okay, so there's 1 bars, 3 bars, and 2 bars. And 2 bars can either be 2 down, like we have this one, we broke the low, or a 2 up, which is this one. Okay, so here's where we get into the trade. We are looking for reversals. Okay, so we had a 2 up here. That was not our reversal, because we need the time frame the same, and we weren't there. Okay, so what we're looking for is both of these to be red. Okay, and when we cross this trigger, I'll just move this line over for you guys. When we cross this trigger here, these green hourly and dailies go to red. Okay, I could probably do a rewind here for you guys. Okay, so I didn't pause it in time, but now you can see the hourly and the daily are red. So we get in here, and we have a target here. And you can go back and find your other targets if you want, but we only find our targets on the 30, okay? So target here. How I showed you to go back on the hourly, we don't do that. So the next target is way down here. I'm not expecting you guys to take that. Okay, so in the trade here at 423.14, and then we go down, and this is it went for more than 30% or just to 30%, I believe. I was in at 253 here on put options, and I got out at 315, okay? So that one went for 30%, and it was that easy. I waited for the time frame to show hourly and daily. I waited for the trigger, and I waited to hit the target, and then I took a little bit more. Okay, I think when we got to about here or here, we were at around 18%, okay, or 20%, I can't recall. But that's the 30 and 30, okay, 30% on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so let's keep watching this. We'll go through, we had an outside bar, then we come up, but our time frame is not both green. So here, it was red on the hourly, but the daily was still green. Okay, I'll try go back. If we reverse one candle here. Okay, so we have that outside bar. The hourly is green, the daily is not. Okay, the daily doesn't switch to green until we get up into this range, okay, over here. So it's not an actionable signal for us playing this 30 and 30 strategy, okay? So next we go back down again, okay? And then we chop around, chop, 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 and look, here we go. This is our next trade, guys. I'm going to bring this yellow line back. This one went for over 30%. I took mine at 30%, okay? But here's your target, here's your trigger, and then look, we label our targets on the previous wicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we'll play this one out. Again, look, we go up again through 1, 2, 3, and look how we tag this thing exactly. Exactly tag this target, okay? So now what happens? I think we have one more bar that this thing goes up again. So this was way more than 30%. I took my 30% and 60% on 2 trades in a matter of, 30, 60 minutes and then 30, 60 minutes. So 2 hours I made 60% on the day on 2 trades, okay? Now, you think about that, if you do that consistently, you're at 300% a week, 1,200 on the month. Okay, and we're still live trading here right now. So we are currently still trading on this bar here, I believe. Okay, so we are at, yes I do. There we go. So again, we have this 2 down now, okay, 2 up, 2 down. But the daily is green, so we're not taking this trade. If this green day was red, along with this hourly, then we're jumping into the trade, okay? And that would be our trigger, and then our targets go down like such. But because the day is not red, we're not taking the trade, okay? We need the hourly and the daily to both be the same color, like they were on this trade and like they were on this trade. So we took one down, and then we took one back up. So it's that easy, guys. You can try it tomorrow when you're trading. Again, it doesn't always work. So another thing that is part of this, if we don't hit targets on the way down, I guess. So I would still get, I still got out of the partial trade here at 18%, okay? Wherever it was. I think it was somewhere in here. I sold some contracts at 18. I rode the rest till 30, okay? So that's a strategy, guys. It's super easy. 2-2 reversals, and that's it. But we're looking for the hour and the daily to be the same color. And that is one of the easiest strategies you guys will find to trade not just SPY, but any stock. And go back test it on the stocks, okay, guys, to see if it does work or if it doesn't work. Okay, but most times you're going to find that you're in this trade and you're going to be looking at, 15, 20, 30% gains consistently. Okay? I hope you guys had a good one. Make sure you stay tuned for my watch lists. I guess if you're watching this in the future, then don't worry about it. But I do put out daily watch lists, so subscribe, hit me up on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. I'll be happy to help you guys out with any questions or anything you need. And until the next time, guys, bye-bye.